I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off autoplay in the Netflix app on your Android device. Netflix has two different autoplay features that can be really frustrating. One that automatically starts the next episode when you are binge watching a show, and another that blasts video previews while you are just trying to browse the home screen. Fortunately, you can turn off both of these features directly from the mobile app. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the My Netflix tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap your profile name or the menu icon at the top of the screen and then select Manage Profiles. Step 4. Tap the edit icon on the specific Netflix profile you want to edit. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom of the profile settings screen to find the playback controls. Step 6. Toggle off the switch next to Autoplay Next Episode if you want to stop shows from automatically moving to the next video. Toggle off the switch next to Autoplay Previews if you want to stop trailers and clips from playing automatically while you browse. As a quick tip, because these settings are tied directly to your individual profile rather than just your Android phone, any changes you make here will automatically sync across all of your other devices. This means that once you toggle these features off in the Android mobile app, you also won't have to deal with annoying autoplay previews or unexpected next episodes when watching Netflix on your smart TV, streaming stick, or computer. If the changes do not seem to take effect immediately on your other devices, simply log out of your Netflix account on that specific device and log back in to force a refresh. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.